If you'd like to, you can come to hover for a moment, kicking the hips up above the wrists, coming into a brief little arm balance here. We're here for just a few more reps on each side. And last one each side. Back to that tabletop static beast. Take a full breath in. On the exhale, downward facing dog. Step the feet and the hands out. Nice. Take one more deep breath in through the nose. And a deep breath out. All right, right leg's gonna lift on the inhale. And then pigeon pose on the exhale. All right. From here, top of that left foot is flat. Now, if you'd like to, we're not gonna be here for too long. If you'd like to, you can just stay upright. That's where I'm gonna stay for now. Of course, if you wanna go a little bit deeper, you can. We're just gonna take a couple more breaths here. As you breathe in, breathing into that space of the solar plexus. As you breathe out, letting anything move from out of your system. It's no longer serving you. It served you up into this point. We can fully release it now.